Hello? So, I left this outside in the rain over a week, and I completely forgot I had it outside. I have two of them, so I had the one inside and I didn't remember I had one outside. And when I did see it outside, I got it in, dried it off, and well, the LCD is... Right now it's empty, it's no good, got no battery, so let's just see if we can get it out and if we can do something about it. I can't... The transmitter did not transmit because I had run out of batteries, and it turned on just fine, but the battery just drained, and it uses AA batteries. The video mic, or whatever it's called, it's one of them wireless things. And well, so I'm fast forwarding through what I did now, opening it and starting to clean it. And there are two broken pads, or pads with the out connection, and I was gonna order off a Ali or something. By the way, I have gotten a C adapter, or Brolo adapter, C-mount adapter, which gives me a much better field of view. And then I figured, while I was waiting, or just had put aside, I figured, I have copper tape, I can use that. But then again, I can't find the copper tape, and no shops are open today, and I ain't gonna drive to get just the tape, so I will just make do, and I will jumper it, just create some new pads and cure it with UV mask. Zoom in a little bit. Just tin that up for the flux. That was way too much flux. That was Rossmann style flux. And some solder. I need to get one of those, whatchamacallit, the roll, just pull out the... Okay. Oh, it's hot. I'll put some there too, just don't have to clean off of that pad on that. Should be enough. That was way too much flux. That was Rossmann style flux. And some solder. I need to get one of those, whatchamacallit, the roll, just pull out the, okay. It's hot. Put some there too, just to clean off that pad on there. Should be enough. Just, yeah. Now I only need just a tiny, tiny connection. There, more than enough. And get my tweezers and try and get the other one in place. I should have done that first. So, that's it. Actually, I think I need to put on a little bit more solder. And I'll just snip it off. I'll snip off the other one too. And just to make sure, I'll measure continuity. Yep. And that one's good. Just a drop. Well, not even a drop, just a smidgen. I should have put the board holder in place because it's very light, this board. Okay. Now, I will put that aside. Hang on. I'll put that aside over there and put the UV light on it. Set that there for a little while because I also noticed, zoom in it. Well, that was weird. Something's up with my resolution on the camera. Oh well. Because there's a little bit of corrosion here on the LCD as well. By the way, right now I just have that UV lamp right there, but I'm making a timer for it using a relay and an Arduino. Just a simple switch and a LCD display that you can just say, like, I want to know for, it'll have increments of 10 seconds, so starting at 10 seconds and all the way up to 15-20 minutes, whatever. I don't know, I haven't thought of a max yet. I'll just figure that out when I start programming it, because at the moment I don't have a 5-volt relay. I do, but I did a cleanup and organizing, and I organized it away, the relay that I have. And getting parts to Norway takes forever. Okay, let's come back when the UV light is cured. Okay, so that is cured. Just a quick visual inspection to see if there's any other corrosion or anything. Not that I can see. So let's put it back together. Grip screws. Okay. Yeah. I need to clean up. So there. Okay. Fully working multimeter again. Well, not a multimeter, of course, but well, there. Fully working digital caliper. I'll just put the battery cover on. On-off turns. Millimeters an inch. Works. Perfect. Nice little repair. And I didn't want to bother waiting 3 weeks for parts from China. Well, it's down to 2 now because they're started shipping faster, but yeah. Anyways, nice. Thanks for tuning into my channel, guys. If you like the channel and you like what I do, please consider subscribing and leave a like down in the comment description. It really does help the channel, and I hope I will be able to create much more videos in the future. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.